Good Erev Shabbos, everyone. On this Erev Shabbos of Shabbos Nachmu, as we learn the Mishna Yomis, sponsored Lili Nishmas Rav Yaakov Yosef ben Rab Daiv, Refuah Shalema for Yomis Mechayisar, Refuah Shalema for Rafal David ben Blima, and the Schus of Avram and Yom Beinish B'Malk Yudis and family, also sponsored by Yisrael Fisher, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbat Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We are sponsored by Yoel Klugman and family for their Gesund Parnas and Nachas, L'Refuah Shalema for Avigdor Aye ben Rivka and Meir ben Chayesara, Esther Fradel Bas Chana. They should all have a Refuah Shalema b'Seik Shar Chayil Yisrael. So Mishna Zayin in the third parak tells us Hamavakeya b'Rishus HaYochid. If, let's say, you are chopping wood on your property, the Hizik b'Rishus HaRabim, but a piece of wood shot out and damaged somebody in the Rishus HaRabim. Or if you were chopping wood in the Rishus HaRabim, the Hizik b'Rishus HaYochid, and the wood flew out, or the handle, and hurt somebody in their property. Or b'Rishus HaYochid, you were doing something on your property, the Hizik, and the wood flew out, b'Rishus HaYochid acher, in someone else's property. All of this is considered koichai, it's considered your immediate power, and adamuad la'olam, and therefore you are chayiv. Now, remember, tam pays a chatzi nezek, that means the first 3 times that a shar gores, and a muad pays a nezek shalom. With that in mind, the next Mishnah says, Shnei shvarim tamim, Reuven and Shimon each own an ox, and these 2 oxen, which are tamim, shechavlu zeh, they damaged one another. Mishalmin b'maiser chatzi nezek. They have to pay the difference, half damages. So let's say Reuven Shar did $100 damage, and Shimon Shar did a $50 damage. So the difference is $50. So Reuven has to pay half of that, $25. Mishalmin b'maiser chatzi nezek. If Shnei muadim, if both Reuven and Shimon Shvarim were a muad, then Mishalma b'maiser nezek shalom. Then the difference has to be paid nezek shalom. So in the same case, where one was worth 100 and one was worth 50, the difference is 50. So Reuven would have to pay the full $50 difference. Echad tam ve'echad muad. Let's say one was a tam and one was a muad. So if muad b'tam, if the muad did the more damage against the tam, so then Mishalem b'maiser nezek shalom. Then he pays the difference, the full amount, the full $50. Tam b'muad, if it was the tam that did the more damage, Mishalem b'maiser chatzi nezek. He pays the difference, half damages. Again, he would only pay $25. V'chein shnei anoshim shechavlu zeh b'zeh. If 2 people damage one another, remember Adam is a muad la'olam. So, therefore, the one that did the more damage, if let's say one did $500 damage and the other did $1,000 damage, so the difference is $500. So, Mishalman b'maiser, he pays the difference, a nezek shalom, the full $500. Adam b'muad b'adam, it would be the same thing. An Adam with a shah that already gored 3 times, a shah that gored already 3 times with an Adam, so therefore both of them pay a nezek shalom. The one that did more damage, Mishalom b'maiser, he pays the difference, a nezek shalom. Adam b'tam v'tam b'adam, if it was an Adam against a tam, a shah that pays a chatzi nezek, or a tam against the Adam. So Adam b'tam, the Adam has to pay a nezek shalom, so he pays the difference in nezek shalom. Mishalem b'maiser, nezek shalom, pays the difference in nezek shalom. Tam b'adam, if it's the shah that's a tam that damages the Adam, so then Mishalem b'maiser, he pays the difference chatzi nezek. Here, Rabbi Akiva makes a distinction. Rabbi Akiva says a tam pays a chatzi nezek only when it damages a person's property. But if it damages a human, a tam pays a nezek shalom. So Rabbi Akiva Aimer, af tam shechava ba'adam, even a tam that damages an adam, mishalem b'maiser nezek shalom would pay in the difference of full damages, because when does a tam pay a chatzi nezek? That's only when it attacks property, according to Rabbi Akiva. But when it attacks a person, it pays even the first time a nezek shalom. We want to thank you very much for joining us, and wish you a wonderful Shabbos. Also, stay tuned. We are going to be doing also for the Shabbos table. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful Shabbos.